We grew out of the lease place that we were in originally, and I went down to the banker and said, man, what do you think? And he said, hey, with the cost of leasing these days, build your own place. And I didn't want to be my own landlord, but he suggested me to go talk to 3 of the local contractors. I knew I wanted to have a design build. And sure enough, I went to see Tony, and he immediately jumped on it, took care of all my questions and stuff, gave me the numbers, worked with me a little bit. And then because of design build, the appealing part is there's no changes or change charges or anything like that. So we started on this thing in the spring of 2000, I think, and it was a terrible wet spring. And it was hard to get onto the job site, but he plowed through it, did a nice job, and we're pleased. It's been a good building, been in here for a little over 20 years. The banker had told me that Tony was a little bit different in the fact that he will go and exceed his warranty and come out and repair things like a roof leak that we've been here for 10 years, something like that. We give Tony a call, and he'll come out really pretty darn quick, have his guys will patch the roof, and never saw a bill. So when I approached him about it, he says that's something he does for old customers and things like that. And sure enough, it got him more business. Well, Tony at that time wasn't one of the big guys, and he and his crew were very attentive and answered all the questions, and without me asking for it, gave some preliminary drawings and renderings, which put him way ahead of the other folks because I had something I could sink my teeth into. And this is the first building I had ever done. I'd always leased a building. And I was a little bit tentative about it, but he came through. And I asked some guys that had built their own building before, and they kind of double checked me, and it worked out well. Still see Tony from time to time. He'll come by and look at the place. I had to replace a man door the other day, and I asked him where can I get it, or would he be interested in doing a small job like that? And like I said, they'll turn right around. We had a lot, because of the bad freeze, we had a bad water leak that went out into the production area, and Tony got the plumber that is a sub for him to come out and help us, but probably 2 or 3 of his old customers, and took care of that the next day, whereas some of the people around here were shut down for a week waiting for a plumber.